How to enable two-factor authentication in Booking.com. Now, in order to enable two-factor authentication in your Booking.com, just simply open your Booking.com app and then tap to this profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you go there, you will see the option of Security Settings under Manage Account. Tap to Security Settings and then you will see the option of two-factor authentication in very top. Select two-factor authentication, and first of all, you need to download an authenticator application. It could be any of the authenticator that you can get in your Google Play Store or App Store. One of the most common option is Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. Download any of those and tap to Next button right here, and then you need to copy this key right here and paste it in your authenticator application. Then after you do that, it will generate a 6-digit code. You need to come back to this page right here after copying this code to the authenticator app and tap to Next button. Then you need to paste that 6-digit code that the authenticator app will generate in right here and tap to Submit button. And if your authenticator code is correct, the two-factor authentication will successfully be enabled in your Booking.com using a third-party authenticator.